Hi there. Meet the new GT Bicycles Great Expert Men Gloss Purple/Black/Gunmetal 2020 year bike. Never before has a high-tech road bike been so capable on low-tech roads. The Great is ready for everything, from freshly paved switchbacks to the gravel roads, and everything in between. The Great knows no bounds. The Great Expert features an alloy frame with smooth welds, hydroformed top tube and down tube, a tapered 1 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch head tube, standard BB, Shimano 105 drivetrain, and TRP cable actuated hydro disc brakes.